What if you could create an app just by describing it? That's the promise of Google Labs Opal, a new AI-powered no-code platform that's changing the way we think about building software. Opal is a simple idea with a massive goal: to make app development accessible to everyone. It's a user-empowered AI that lets you describe your app in plain English. The platform, powered by Google's Gemini AI, then takes your words and creates a visual, shareable web application. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a completely new way to create. Google Labs, the company's hub for cutting-edge projects, just unveiled Opal in a public beta in July 2025. Right now, it's an experiment limited to users in the US to gather focused feedback. This is classic Google Labs, a test kitchen for big, speculative AI ideas. The initial feedback has been mixed. On one hand, people love how easy it is to use. It's a creative playground perfect for quick prototypes and simple tools, like an educator making an interactive learning aid or a marketer building a custom content generator. It empowers people to build exactly what they need without any coding knowledge. But Opal has its critics. It's not yet ready for complex business applications. People are pointing out a lack of deep database integration, limited connections to other services, and some unpredictable outputs from the AI. Plus, its US-only restriction is a major pain point for a global audience. Some even say more established platforms like OpenAI's custom GPTs are better for intricate tasks. Beyond the initial pros and cons, there are some deeper challenges. For one, the name Opal isn't unique, which could make it hard for people to find. There are also concerns about its ability to handle complex problems, sometimes giving generic answers instead of specific solutions. Another big issue is what's being called a walled garden. Opal seems tightly integrated with Google's ecosystem, and its limited external connections raise questions about data ownership and flexibility. This could be a problem for creators who don't want to be locked into one platform. Finally, the ease of use creates a shadow IT risk for businesses. Employees could quickly create apps with sensitive company data, potentially creating security and compliance headaches. So what's next? Google is already looking at a global release and plans to add things like external database connections to make Opal more powerful. There's even talk of an Opal App Store where creators could sell their mini apps, building a whole new economy. This all points to Google's vision of vibe coding, a future where software development is less about lines of code and more about a conversation between your idea and the AI. Opal is at the forefront of this shift, turning abstract thoughts into tangible software, one natural language interaction at a time.